Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Google Forms for a survey. Surveys help collect valuable opinions, feedback or data from people. Whether you're running a business, event or research study, Google Forms make it super easy, and today I'll show you a step-by-step on how to create a professional and engaging survey. So let's get started. The first step is to open Google Forms, and to do that, just go to your browser and type in the search bar Google Forms. Now after the website appears, and click on the first website and then use your Google account's credentials to log in by clicking on login here, and once you log in you will be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, click on the blank form or choose a survey template. You can see here the template gallery, and you can look for a surveys template. Let's see if it's here. Now for this example I'm just gonna create a new blank one. The second step is to add a title, and you can add a title by clicking on this area right here which says untitled form and choose your survey's title. Now the second step is you can add a brief description in this description area here. You can add a brief description so people know why they should participate on this survey. As for the third step is to add survey questions, and you can do that by clicking on the plus button right here in this section right here. Click on the plus button to add questions, and as you can see here you can write the question, and here you can choose the type of the question. You can use different question types based on what you need. You can use short answer for names, emails, quick replies, paragraphs for detailed feedback, and multiple choices to let users pick one option, checkboxes to allow multiple selections, linear scale from 1 to 5 or from 1 to 10 for satisfaction ratings, and drop down to keep choices organized. As for the fifth step is to enable response collections and setting, and you can do that by clicking on the gear icon or go to settings, and here enable collect email addresses, and turn on limit to one response per person if you don't want to duplicate. As for the fifth step is to customize the design, and you can do that by clicking on the paint palette in the top right. As you can see, this is the one right here which says the customize theme, and choose theme color, background color and font. And you can also upload a header's image to make it look professional. After you finish modifying, click on publish and click here on publish. As for the fifth step, you can view the seventh step, you can view or analyze the survey's response, and you can do that by copying. First of all, you can copy the link for the survey, for example anyone with the link, and copy the responders link. And once you copy the link, to test it and view and analyze the survey, you can go to the form right here, and as you can see this is the survey. Now you can also click on responses here to see the results, and you can export data to Google Sheets for better analysis. And that's it, you just created a professional survey. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.